Hi guys, it's Jaden from Saskatchewan Truck Center. This is stock number 5014P. This is a 2020 Ford Transit all-wheel drive cargo van with 154 for K. Nice, clean, low roof, 130 wheelbase cargo. Door panels, seats, dash, everything looks really good. Again, this one's all-wheel drive, which is definitely a nice ticket. It's got Ranger bulkhead, shelving on both driver's and passenger side. Weather guard, ladder rack up top. And shelving on both driver's and passenger side. Still enough room in the middle for furnaces, water heaters, air conditioners, anything you might be lugging around. Again, this one is all-wheel drive, which is definitely a nice ticket for Saskatchewan winters. Power windows, power door locks, power mirrors, air tilt cruise, and Bluetooth as well. So nicely outfitted, ready to go to work, comfortable cargo van for your contracting fleet. Again, stock number 5014P, a 2020 Ford Transit Cargo.